Okay, so if you guys remember, this piece here was actually bent up, like completely gnarly. So I took it up to my dad's shop and we actually flattened it out. You notice that bearing broke there. So what I did was I actually went out and found these bearings here to replace them with. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take that bearing out, replace it with that one, and hope it fits. And it has been running good with this broken one, but I would like to change it out if I can. So get these two screws out like so. Don't lose them. That bearing just pops out like so, and then the new one should pop right in there. Yep. And then all these screws do is they hold that bearing in place. So it's pretty straightforward, simple. We'll get this thing put back together. And lift it up so the bearing looks flat. Tighten them both sides. So if you look at it, the screws just hold on to that bearing there, and then we'll go and throw it on the machine. All right, so we got the belt on there. If it snows, it's loose. Once we get this on, it'll get tight. So got that one. Grab ourselves one screw. Get that one started. I'm hoping I can do this with one hand because we got to hold that. Okay, now we're in, and that bearing's not broken, and just going to go back and forth like it's supposed to, because this actually brings this thing up again, or the Z-axis up. So that's that. It's fixed. That's the update for you. I know I told you it's broke, didn't know what I was going to do. But honestly, we got another one sitting right over there. So with that being said, we'll get that one up this weekend. Until the next time, bye.